Hello my friends traders, Caroline Alizan here, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Thursday, July 7th of 2011 and we're looking at the Q's daily chart and wow, we are popping up big time here today. Actually, we're gupping up this morning and then making a new high. We busted through the high of May 2nd, which we talked about yesterday, which was at the 59.34 mark. We busted through it, making a new high, which is at the 59.36. So what you see here is that this huge gap up today, and then we are breaking through all major areas of resistance on our way up before we made that high. First of all, we opened higher above this area of resistance, which now acts as a support at the 58.68 mark, and then we also busted through that next area of resistance, or we're up here, the 59 mark, and then also through the high of May 2nd again, which was at the 59.34. So we are still going up, making higher highs and higher lows. We are still in a pretty nice uptrend, but as I mentioned to you yesterday, right now I would be really cautious because it seems like we're a little bit overextended. We've been going up for a long time. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars up in a row. Wow, that's incredible. So I would be really cautious in here and watch that new high, the 59.36 mark, really carefully tomorrow. If we break through it and continue to the upside, then we'll have to look for new areas of resistance. But now, watch this 59.36 mark as well as the high of May 2nd, the 59.34, and also look for a little bit of a pullback. If we ever get one, I would like to see one, that's for sure. But if we ever get one, we could go down to that lower area of support down below here, the 58.33 mark at least, where you see this purple line pointing higher. So that is a significant area of support at this moment to watch. And check this out, the moving averages are rising, and as I wanted to see it, and I pointed it to you yesterday, I wanted to see the 8 moving average crossing over the big red one here, the 50-day moving average, and that's what's happening. We're heading higher, we're pointing higher. The 8 moving average is crossing over the 50-day moving average, which means that we are bullish. And check this out, look at the MACD. The MACD is still rising. It was resting right here. It was kind of flat yesterday, but today we're rising again. So we're still pointing higher with another positive tick, but again, watch for a confirmation again if you want to make any plays. But right now I would be really careful playing to the upside because, as I mentioned before, we're a little bit overextended. That's what it looks like to me. So that's what I see on the chart here today. But yeah, pay close attention to the MACD and look at the volume increasing in here. We're slightly, a little tiny bit above the average, which is a good sign, but we could be putting on a top, or we could be forming a high base right here at the top of the rally, at the top of that run. And I would like to see at least 2 more candlesticks trading in that tight trading range right here at the top of that big run. So that's what can happen in here. So watch all areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also look for confirmation with the MACD and pay close attention to the volume. All right guys, so have a wonderful evening and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.